Hello friends, today I am going to show you the Spigen Glass TR screen protector for OnePlus Nord CE. I know it's very late for this particular product, but it's just for your information that Spigen also makes tempered glass for the 2-year-old OnePlus Nord CE. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this product up and check it out what we get inside the box. This product is manufactured in January 2023. That means it is the latest product, but we are installing on a phone which is very old. And to be true, I haven't installed any tempered glass on this phone since the day it was got. So you can see with a lot of uses, the back is already having a lot of scratches and smudges and all, but the glass is okay. As you can see, the front glass has no scratches or nothing. So why wait, my friends? Let's open this up and start the installation process. So this tempered glass, I got it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. And it costs me around 600 or 800 rupees, I suppose. But here it is mentioned, as you can see here, 2199, but you can get it a very sweet deal. So there is no seal. Just take out this tempered glass and we get some installation information, user manual, how to install and everything, and 2 cleaning wipes, and here is the tempered glass. We get in 2 numbers, as you can see here. There are 2 numbers of tempered glass, 1 and 2. So there are 2 tempers. So you have 2 options to install it, and I think we are getting the easy installation kit. So we do have 2 separate aligning flip here. One is here, which will be easier for you to install it on top of your phone. So as always, first of all, we'll clean this desk totally, wash our hands, and then we'll start the process. So let's start, my friends. I have already cleaned everything. We have keeping the tempered glass here. We don't need this user manual, and we will start with the phone. Aligning it would be very easy because we don't have the easy fit kit, so it would have been easy fit. So put the tray and do it. Instead we got just to align it on our own. So we will use this. Okay. One of the cleaning wipe and one of the dust removal sticker, and how many cloths we do have here? We have only 1 cloth, I think. Yes, there is only 1 cloth here. So we'll leave the cloth part. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we will use this cleaning wipe. I will try to make this video as fast as possible, but I cannot assure you that it's going to be a small video or there is a long video, because most of all my tempered glass videos are very long. If you are old to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then I make it a very descriptive videos for all my viewers to get the actual installation feel when you do it on your own. So I am cleaning the phone very carefully and all the edges, because it has been more than 1.5 years, nearby 2 years. So 2 years worth of dust and particles and everything. Just use the cleaning wipe very perfectly, and you can use it again and again from all the sides, because it will be, the more you clean, the better will be the installation. So I have done this. I'll put this here for reuse purpose after I install the tempered glass. Now we will use the okay, it's done. Now we will use this sticker to just remove the sticker. Okay, yes, we got it. So here you can see, so here it is mentioned a tip here: do not throw away, use to remove dust before installation. Yes, that's not what we are doing. So I never throw away these. I usually, nowadays I am very recycling everything, but still I get a lot of tempered glass installations videos, so I have a lot of installation kit in my disposal. So that's why once I use it, I don't use it again. Okay, so we are done here, I think. Now we will put this here and check it out for any dust. There is no dust. So we will take out one of the tempered glasses, yes, and okay, we will carefully put the phone on top of here so that the phone doesn't move here and there. So before removing the dust protective film, which also protects the adhesive, we will go through this once more before doing that, because to get a perfect installation we do have to do this. So this is the below side and this is the top side. Okay, so what we need to do is, facing down we will remove this, throw that away. Now we will align this on top of the phone. It should be perfectly aligned, and it will be easier for you because we do have these glides to do that. So for perfect, you can also turn on your display to be exact, because we don't have the tray here. You need to be very careful about the camera cutout and everything. So do place it perfectly and do it. So once you drop the phone, drop the tempered glass, so there is no going back. So you need to be very careful about it, installing the area and everything. So we have perfectly aligned now. Now we will drop this, and as you can see, the adhesive is moving. Just we will put a press here and we will just slide it out. Okay, give it a few seconds. Then what you have to do is just hold down in the middle and just swipe your fingers like this on all the edges. Okay, be very careful about this portion, because if you don't do it perfectly, then you might get air bubbles. This side, same, just hold it in the middle and always slide it your fingers like this. Okay, so we have done aligning perfectly. As you can see here, the camera cutout is aligned here correctly, and all the edges are correct. Now we will turn on the display and we'll check with full brightness. Okay, yes, it's perfectly installed. Now we will remove this protector film. So as you can see, now it is totally installed. We are getting some of the air bubbles in this locations and in this area, and none of this side is perfectly done. So what you will do, you will just push it in this way. So it might look like this for a few days, Later on, with the uses and getting to the hot air and all in the out in the sun and everything, the adhesive will adhere. If it doesn't, then it might be because your main phone's screen is not that much of flat, and this area is not having perfect installation in this corner for this phone. This happens in a lot of the OnePlus phones I have seen. I've already done installation for the OnePlus 5T. There also I heard it's facing the same issue, but it's not a very big deal, my friends. It's fine. You will get the full protection of your phone. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I'll put the link about this product in the description below. Stay safe. Bye bye.